Want to keep the time visible while you're working on your Windows PC. Windows already shows the time in the taskbar, but there are also ways to keep a larger clock visible while using other applications. In this guide, I'll show you how to keep Windows clock always visible in 2026. First, open the Start menu and search for Clock. Select the Windows Clock app to launch it. Depending on your Windows version, the Clock app may provide different features and window options. Look through the Clock app for an Always on Top or similar window option. If your version provides it, enable the option to keep the clock window visible above other applications. Once Always on Top is enabled, open another application and move it around the clock window. The clock should remain visible above the other window, allowing you to check the time without switching back to clock. You can resize the clock window to make it easier to see without taking up too much screen space. Drag the window edges or corners when resizing is supported, then position it in a convenient area of your desktop. If you don't have an Always on Top option in your clock app, the Windows taskbar clock is the simplest built-in alternative. The time remains visible while you're working in most desktop applications. You can also pin Windows clock to Start or the taskbar when supported, making it faster to open whenever you need a larger clock. This doesn't keep the app permanently visible, but it gives you quick access. Finally, open another application and confirm that your preferred clock display remains available. If you're using Always on Top, test it with several windows to make sure the behavior works as expected on your Windows version. And that's how to keep Windows clock always visible in 2026. If your clock version supports Always on Top, you can keep a larger clock above other windows. Otherwise, the taskbar clock and quick access options provide simple alternatives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.